Hey everybody, this is Jessica Lynn of JessicaLynnOriginal.com, and I am so excited to bring you March's free digital stamp of the month. Now it is a digital download, so the nice part is you can go onto our website, you sign up, you can download it and start creating something right away. So our website again, it's just JessicaLynnOriginal.com, and when you show up, this is what you should see. Up at the top, you've got all of our search features as well as our adorable Brentwood owl. And we do feature, just so you know, our Instagram wall up on the very first thing you'll see on our website. And I do that on purpose. I love showing off what you guys make. So if you purchase our stamps, or if you have a custom red rubber stamp made with us, and you make the most amazing wedding invitations or birthday party invitations or the card of your dreams, share them out on Instagram. I will re-Instagram them and they will show up on my website. I love showing them off. You are all so talented, and it's so exciting to see ideas I had in my head and then what you take them to, like that next step, and design something else with your cards and your crafting. So you can see we do have a couple of them up there. We've got a couple of our wiener dog or our dachshunds. This is our pirate Brentwood. And you can see he does match our logo, and he does come with a mermaid, just so that you know. So if you were thinking about where did the mermaid come, it's with the set with the pirate. And then my daughter drew this really cute little picture of the two of us, so I just had to post it up. Let me just scroll down here. If you go to our website again, just JessicaLynnOriginal.com, and we have a couple of new things on our website. So you're going to see we always have our photopolymer, all made in the United States, professionally grade, high quality. Nothing of ours is made internationally as far as our stamps are concerned. We personally do not outsource any of them like that. Everything for us is all within the United States. We also make red rubber stamps. So if you are looking for a red rubber stamp for a wedding invitation or custom anything, I draw all the art that you see. So if you have an idea and say, here's the dream stamp I'd love to have, toss me a message. You can email me right here from our story, contact us. Toss me an email and just say, hey Jess, this is what I'm thinking. Can you draw it? I'd love to draw it for you. And just so that you know, as long as it doesn't go over extensive amounts of time, I don't charge for my design work. We also have a new category called limited edition enamel pins. So you can pick up this little adorable Brentwood. It's our logo. He's very limited edition. He's only 50, and I'm keeping the first two. So we're down to 48, and then we've had a couple of them go already. So if you are interested in collecting our enamel pins, it's going to be a whole series of Brentwood owl. Be sure to pick him up ASAP. We have digital stamps, geocaching stamps, and I can actually draw the image to match your handle. So whatever your geocaching name is, I can draw something fun to go along with it. I do sell some of my handmade cards, so if you watch my YouTube channel and you're like, oh, I like that card, go look there. It might be available for purchase. We also have glitter pens and lots of ink, and then clearance. Any of our older stamp sets are going to be out there, and sometimes I do offer discounts on those as well. So back to what we were talking about originally. Right now, I have got a brand new digital rubber stamp for the month of March. It is an adorable goat. I cannot wait to show him. It's out in our digital stamps. So again, all I did, JessicaLynnOriginal.com, digital stamps. Okay. When you head out there, you are going to see, there he is. So these other digital stamps are all available for download. You do purchase the other ones. But if you were interested in downloading and making something with any of those, you can add them all to your cart. Obviously, you would check on pay for those. And then the goat is free. But you don't have to purchase anything this month to get the goat for free. So the little goat, look, he's got cute little daisies all around his neck. So to download him, extremely easy. You just click on the, you add one of them to the cart, and just so that you know, this stamp is only free for the month of March. So on April 1st, not a joke, truly on April 1st, which is April Fool's Day, the goat will then go to a $4 charge if you want to download. Okay. Just a couple things about our digital stamps. You know, you can use them for your own personal work. Please know the line art is available for you to create cards and crafting with. I do ask that you remember They cannot be used for logos or logos that you create for someone. It cannot be redistributed or sold. Please do not use it for clip art, rubber stamps, blah, blah, blah. That would be stealing. Please don't do that. I'm happy to draw things and share them with you guys. Please just don't steal them and don't turn them into something else. We own and copyright all of our art. And it cannot be used as a greater freebie offered somewhere else. If you do make something and you decide, hey, I'm going to share it, just make sure that you just say, hey, the stamp came from JessicaLynnOriginal, or just link it to this page. That's fine too. Okay. So you go ahead, add them to the cart. Added to the cart. You can see there he is. Now, because there's no cost, you don't have to enter in any money, but it does have you create an account, or at least sign into your account, and then you'll just verify that, yep, I understand, I can't do all that stuff that, I just read off, and then you go ahead and check out. So the nice part is, what it's going to do is, if you just stay on that page for a minute, it will come back and tell you that your order is confirmed. And all I did was I logged in and then confirmed my order. It went ahead and says, thank you, Jessica. Here's your information. And then it gives you free instant download right away. So you don't even have to wait. You can download it right away. Or you could go on your phone and sign up to get it. And then what'll happen is you could go on your phone, request that, and then when you get home, it'll send you an email saying, hey, don't forget to download this. So just know you could do that now so that you don't forget, and then it'll be in your email box. So let's go ahead and download this stamp. All I did was click on download, and there it is. We do have our information on the side. What I typically do I'll do file, make a copy, and then what I'll do is I'll put it on my desktop so that I can easily find it. Okay. Now from here, extremely easy to use. I'm just going to go ahead and open up Microsoft Word just so that I have it. And then I'm going to just go to Insert once it's open, Picture, and then I'm going to go find it on my desktop. I got a couple of things on my desktop. All right, so here he is. Let's go ahead and double click on him. There he is. Now what I love about digital stamps, if you've never used one before, is you can decide how big. Now maybe I'm going to print this off and have my daughter color it in. Totally fine. Or maybe I know that I need a whole herd of them, right? And then I'm going to have my brother scan and cut them out. Well, I can go in and just paste a whole bunch of goats on the page. Color them all in, have my brother scan and cut, find them. Although just a reminder with the brother scan and cut, make sure that you put a little extra space between them so that it can find and add the extra lines that you want. So typically what I will do, like if I'm going to do a bunch of goats, I'll set up one line of goats, if that makes any sense. So you can see this is like one line, right? So see, I'm going to put some space in between them because I'm going to have my brother scan and cut them out with a specific border around them, right? Then what I'll do is I'll copy the whole thing, paste it again. See, now they already have all the extra spacing that I want, and I don't have to worry about readjusting every line of goats. There we go. From here I could go ahead and print them off, cut them out, color them, and add them to any crafting item I'm working with. Just as a reminder, we do ask, just, put a hashtag JessicaLynnOriginal or something just so that we can find them, or tag us. That would be awesome. All right, well, we'll go ahead and finish our video here. But I just wanted to take a moment and first off just say thank you so much for supporting small business and artists who love to draw, and it makes a world of difference. If you like what I'm doing here, I just ask that you subscribe to my channel. My goal is to reach 1,000 this year. I'd love to have a whole bunch of people be part of our team following along. I have a whole bunch of new crafting projects coming very soon. I apologize, we had a couple of birthdays back to back, so that's why there was nothing new. But thank you so much for following along, for watching, and don't forget to go and download this adorable goat today. I would love to see what you create with them. I hope that you have a wonderful day. Thank you again. Take care.